Abrams tank. Today's review. We're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic and battle-proven main battle tanks in modern military history, the American M1 Abrams. With decades of service, numerous upgrades, and combat experience across multiple theaters, the Abrams has earned its place as a benchmark in armored warfare. The M1 Abrams was first introduced in 1980 to replace the aging M60 Patton series. Developed by Chrysler Defense, now General Dynamics Land Systems, the tank was designed to give U.S. forces a cutting-edge platform capable of dominating the modern battlefield. It has since become the backbone of American armored units and has been exported to several allies around the world. Let's talk about its engine. The Abrams is powered by a Honeywell AGT1500 gas turbine engine. This engine is unique among main battle tanks for using a turbine rather than a traditional diesel engine. It produces 1,500 horsepower, giving the tank a top speed of around 67 kilometers per hour on roads. Despite being fast and responsive for its size, the turbine does come with drawbacks, primarily high fuel consumption. The M1 is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon, the M256, which is capable of firing a range of NATO standard munitions. This includes armor-piercing, fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds, high-explosive anti-tank rounds, and advanced multi-purpose rounds. The gun is paired with a sophisticated fire control system that allows for high first-hit probability, even while on the move. Secondary armament includes a .50 caliber machine gun mounted at the commander's station, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and another 7.62mm machine gun for the loader. This makes the Abrams formidable, not only against armored targets, but also infantry and light vehicles. Armor has always been a key focus for the Abrams. It uses chobham composite armor that has been enhanced over the years with depleted uranium mesh for increased effectiveness. This layered approach offers superior protection against both kinetic and shaped charge threats. Newer variants, like the M1A2 SEP V3, also include improved armor packages and active protection system integration. Inside, the crew layout is optimized for efficiency and survivability. The tank is manned by a four-person crew: commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Each position is arranged for quick communication and seamless operation. In newer versions, digital displays and upgraded thermal sights improve target acquisition and situational awareness. The Abrams has been battle-tested in multiple conflicts, including the Gulf War, Iraq War, and operations in Afghanistan. It has consistently demonstrated superiority in armor protection, firepower, and battlefield presence. Despite facing improvised explosive devices, anti-tank missiles, and urban